Milestone Mastercard, a disappointing attempt to help people with bad credit. Building credit takes a lot of hard work. Whether you have no credit history or are rebuilding after your credit score took a dive, you may have few options, as many lenders may hesitate to offer you a credit card or personal loan. The Milestone Mastercard is specifically built for people with bad credit, and, at first glance, it may look like a good option. It's an unsecured credit card, so it won't require a security deposit, making it helpful for people who would not have an easy time coming up with a minimum deposit, typically around $200. Another perk is that it reports your card usage to all 3 major credit bureaus, so if you practice good credit habits, your credit score may climb. Unfortunately, like many other credit cards for bad credit, the Milestone card is laden with confusing terms, high interest rates and varying annual fees. Keep reading to see if the good can outweigh the bad enough to make the Milestone Mastercard an option for individuals who struggle to qualify for better credit card options. Pros: no security deposit required, which is typically reserved for individuals with good credit. Reports to all 3 credit bureaus, which can help build your credit history. Pre-qualifying is quick and won't impact your credit, making it easier to shop around and search for the right credit card. Cons: has a potentially high annual fee up to $99, but aside from being an unsecured card, it lacks many of the features that would typically justify an annual fee. High APR and other fees make it that much harder to focus on credit building. Limited features: no rewards program or tools to help build good financial habits, which can be found with other credit cards for bad credit. Current sign-up bonus: since the focus on the Milestone Mastercard is to build credit, the card doesn't come with a sign-up bonus or a reward structure. That's not unusual for cards of this type. Other cardholder perks: the Milestone card might not be your first choice for credit cards, but if you're out of options and don't want to turn to a secured card, it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus and can help you boost your credit. Auto qualify for better credit cards in the future. Mastercard account protection. Standard Mastercard benefits include zero liability fraud protection for any unauthorized purchases made on lost or stolen cards. They also offer cardholders identity monitoring, protecting your social security number, email addresses, account login information, credit and debit cards and bank accounts. Painless pre-qualification. The Milestone Mastercard has a quick pre-qualification process that uses a soft credit pull to look at your credit details. Pre-qualification doesn't guarantee approval, but it does give you a strong indication of your chances of approval. This pre-screening process makes it easier for you to shop for a credit card without having a hard credit pull impact your credit. Rates and fees. The Milestone Mastercard has an ongoing APR of 24.90% and a cash advance APR of 29.90% for all 3 of its card offerings. Paying your balance in full each month and avoiding cash advances are good financial habits and are all the more important given this card's very high interest rates. When you have bad credit, any type of fee is a distraction from building good credit habits, and the Milestone Mastercard's annual fee can be pretty steep. Depending on your credit worthiness, $35 to $99. $75 the first year, if you qualify for the $99 fee. Other credit cards like the Pedal One, no annual fee Visa credit card, issued by WebBank, charge no annual fee, and have better credit building features, including a chance at a credit limit of up to $5,000. The Milestone Mastercard has a starting credit limit of only $300. This is already pretty low, and the annual fee also cuts into that limit. Such a low limit can hurt your credit utilization ratio, the amount of money you've borrowed, relative to your total available credit, and make credit building a bit harder. And if you exceed your limit, the over-limit fees can be up to $40 for each card. You'll only face an over-limit fee if you opt in to the issuer's over-limit coverage, since transactions beyond your limit will be declined. Although it sounds like a positive, the over-limit coverage can pose up to 2 additional $40 fees, on top of the original over-limit fee, if you carry an overextended balance to the next billing cycle, but the coverage's terms state you'll only pay 1 fee per billing cycle. The same up to $40 fee applies for late and returned payments. On the bright side, the foreign transaction fee is pretty light at 1%, typically 3%, and the cash advance fee of 5%, or $5 whichever is greater, not to exceed $100, is waived during your first year.